everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to be doing a funnel pour. I wasn't planning on doing a funnel pour today, but yesterday I was in a shop and I saw a set with 3 funnels in it and I thought, funnel pour, why not? So I've never done a funnel pour before, so this is going to be a new pour for me again. But that's what this channel is all about, isn't it? It's creating beautiful paintings and it's trying new things. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And I just want to give a heads up that it is, again, very windy. And like there, you can see, being in a caravan, when it is windy, the whole caravan moves. And the camera is on an arm, so you are going to see the camera moving sometimes. I can't do anything about that. It's the wind. I can't change the wind. So that's what's happening when the camera moves. It's the wind, and you probably will be able to hear it too. So that's the story. So let's go and create a beautiful painting, and yeah, let's have fun while we do it. Come along. Okay, so I've got a small hexagon canvas here. It's about 30 centimeters or 12 inches. I have some white, which I'm going to put on as a base. And then I've just got a couple colors here. Now we want cells. So I have put 1 drop of silicone into each of my colors. I've already taped up the back of the canvas and I've put in my push pins and I have my funnel ready to go. I hope I have enough paint. Anyway, we'll see. Let's get going, yeah? Again, this is the silicone oil that I use. I got it off Amazon. It's just treadmill oil, treadmill 100% silicone belt lubrication. This is the one that I use. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to put a white base coat down, which will just help the paints to move over the canvas. So just a white base. I hope you can see it. Okay, and then into that you pour the paint. You hold it down onto the canvas and you pour the paint. Okay, now what we want to do is very slowly lift it and drop it, lift it and drop it, lift it and drop it. Look at that. Can you see that? Pretty cool. Right, let me give it a quick torch. And now we're going to tilt it. So, just go around in circles first. Wow, this wind is really blowing again. I could have used more paint. I'm battling to stretch this. Anyway, if I can just get it over the side, we'll be okay. It's going slow, but it's going. Okay, that's fine. Off. It's really battling to move now, but it's fine. I'll just do that and just cover up the other corners too. I could have used, like I said, could have used more paint, but it is covered. It is covered, so that's all we're hoping to do, is cover it. Wow, not bad at all. Like I said, I could have used a little bit more paint, but I did manage to stretch it over. Let me get these gloves off. It actually is very pretty. I am very happy with that. I really am. I think these cells are very pretty, very colourful. Let me bring you down. Let me just wipe my hands. So look at these cells. Look at the colours in them. I mean, that is very, very pretty. And of course, after I torched, all these little cells came up. Maybe they still stretch out a little bit, you know, have to wait and see. But, I mean, that part of this painting is so pretty. Look at that. I think the whole painting is pretty. I mean, it's all very pretty. But that is my favorite part. Yeah, I liked it. I do like it. Very happy with it. So yeah, that was fun. So join me on the next video as I try and create something else that I've never tried before. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And yeah, join me on the next one. Bye.